Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric. Today I want to show you guys how to fix the water leak that you may get on your second generation Prius. Now, I'm gonna get right to it actually. I'm gonna babble too much. On the Prius, if you ever look into the back, you will notice that inside your wheel compartment you may find water. Right now it's dry, of course, because I already fixed it. But you may find water here or in that corner. The water actually seeps through this corners right here. Right through here and back here. So what you want to do, you want to use a rubber sealant. Like I like to use the Flex Seal spray can. You can also use like a silicone tube if you want to, just do it with the finger. Now at the beginning when I first started doing this, I didn't know exactly what the seal was, so I ended up spraying all over the corners. Here, back here, all around. And since I'm in rainy season now in Florida, I was able to test that. Like I will do one section, wait for it to rain, see if they got it fixed. And I ended up doing about 2-3 coats of that. And then I looked up online, found a forum that talks about this seams over here. For some reason or the way they welded in the factory over time, it opens up a little bit. Not enough to affect the stability of the car, but enough to let water in. So you want to do is spray a sealing on this corner and up here. Do the same thing over here. It's not the prettiest job, of course, but it gets the job done. I no longer have any slushy or my car slushing going in the back when I'm moving the car, or my car no longer smells like mold, so it's pretty disgusting. So yeah, if you want to fix it, get something like this, spray in the corners of the trunk. Thanks for watching.